You edit some of the stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me when you want to go. Go like that.
You want me to do that? You're recording now.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, so we're hooking up the above ground swimming pool. Riley's put a new clear hose on. Flying Riley races GoPro for me. Samantha's here. So your heavy duty hose goes from here, from the pump up to the top of the sand filter. Got that going. This is what my old one looked like. It's like sunburnt or something. Now he's taking a 6-foot flex hose, 1.5 inches, and hooking it to our solar panel. Riley's our property manager. He knows all the things. That's the sand cap.
What'd you apply?
Jack's
Anal lube.
Riley.
Or Jack's lube.
Jack's lube. Don't ever put Vaseline on any of your gaskets. It'll make them swell and they won't fit right. So you can put some Jack's lube on that, but do not put Vaseline on that. It'll swell. Me and a guy got into an argument about it. He had to come back and tell me I was right. Thank you. So he's hooking the 6-foot, 1.5 inch hose. That will be the actually, right, you might have it backwards.
This is the end. Water comes in through here, and that's the out, and that goes out to the top.
Wouldn't you think it'd be that one would be there and this one would be here? Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know.
Well, this says in. That says out.
Okay. I know why we have it that way. I forgot. You're right. Normally this goes this way, but we do it the opposite. This already has some lubricant on it, so I'm going to put it on. All right, Race, come over here. This is the strainer housing. I only take this lid off because it's real easy to break. I only take it off like twice a season. Unless you get a frog in there, do not take that off. And then I have a 3-foot, 1.5 inch hose here. This is the skimmer. So I'll put our basket in here. That's where you keep your tablet too. But we're not that far yet. So. Okay. See, this thing's flipped backwards. It should actually be the other way around, but we don't do it that way because it's on the hill. So the clean water, dirty water goes through here, skims through that, comes up, cleans through the sand, goes through here, warms it, and then returns the clean water.
What size engine is that?
1.5 horsepower.
1.5 horsepower.
Hey. It's already in there. You loosen the front. You loosen that front cover. Now he's going to put the eyeball, because we plug our pool. So he's going to put the eyeball in. Time for what? A pool party? They want my pool pretty darn good, so I'll put the pool back here. It's not full enough to turn out the pool. It's full enough yet.
Turn on though.
Yeah.
I want it from the inside.
There.
What do you want to watch it from? We'll come back once the pool's full enough to turn on, and you'll see it fill up. I'll put that down there.
What is it?
A tablet. Okay.